Hi, this is Mika from SourcingYuan in China. Here we're at Home China Expo. You can find all kinds of home products in here, from furniture, material, and appliances. Let's go inside and have a look.
This is the Casarte X80 Smart Door Lock, a cutting-edge security solution combining 3D facial recognition and AI fingerprint tech connectivity for intelligent home experience. The key features include 2 cameras, 3D structured light facial recognition, dual-engine AI fingerprint unlock, fully automatic lock mechanism, 8-in-1 multi-mode access, and military-grade security. The batteries are dual lithium batteries. It's about 5,000 mAh plus 2,250 mAh. It's about 6 months lifespan. And the price is about $400.
It's very soft.
This is a kind of bed which can be raised lowered by electrics to suit the sleeper's needs.
Okay, it's lifting me gradually. Very comfortable.
The features include multiple function adjustments, linkage to mobile app, health monitor, and silent motor. The price is about 3,799 RMB. This is MDQ Kylin Egg Smart Toilet, which has unique egg-shaped seamless body with concealed tank. The length is about 60 centimeters and is very ideal for small bathrooms. It can conceal and open itself automatically, whether you use your feet or something else. Heated seats with adjustable temperature and hidden water outlets. It has disinfectant to keep the toilet surface clean, and will also automatically generate a foam layer to prevent splashing and odor. It can automatically flush water through infrared sensing, covering every corner and edges. The price is about 10,000 RMB. This is an embedded multifunctional microwave oven. Seamless installation compatible with standard cabinets, with panels flush with the cabinets, beautiful and space-saving. It has CCC certification, compliant with China's mandatory product certification, ensuring safety. For multifunctional cooking mode, microwave plus barbecue combination, supports pure microwave, pure barbecue, quick tube heating, and microwave barbecue combination meet the needs of thawing, baking, and roasting. A preset menu built-in commonly used recipes such as pizza, chicken wings, one-click start of intelligent cooking. For intelligent control and convenience, it has touch-controlled LED screen, and it also had the child lock function is used to prevent children from accidentally touching and causing danger. The price is about 8,400 RMB. This is Ecovacs Window Cleaning Robot. It can intelligently plan clean path with high coverage, avoiding duplication or omissions. Edge recognition technology can accurately detect window frames and prevent them from falling. The vacuum suction at the bottom can reach up to 8,000 pounds, firmly adhering to the glass and adapting to different thickness, 5 mm to 32 mm. And it equipped with professional clean clothes, ultra-fine fiber material, washable and reusable, paired with specialized cleaning solution for stronger stain removal. The large capacity battery can last for 30 minutes in the case of an unexpected power outage. You can use an app for remote monitoring, real-time viewing of cleaning progress, and alerts for abnormal situations. The price is about 1,900 RMB. And that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. We are SourcingYuan. Please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you.